Welcome to the virtual reality of Kärcher Connected Cleaning, where the future already becomes a thrilling reality today. Building cleaning is entering a new digital era. Buildings become intelligent. Sensors provide comprehensive data about the number of people, light, temperature, air quality, etc. This data serves as a basis for focusing on needs-based and efficient cleaning, and at the same time avoiding unnecessary cleaning processes as well as significantly reducing costs. In order to make full use of the efficiency of these digital systems, manual cleaning staff are supported with the use of robots. The robots help to maintain the cleaning quality at a constantly high level and also perform physically demanding work, and do this around the clock every day of the year. Detailed reporting of these interlinked systems ensures transparency and also enables dynamic adjustment of the cleaning schedules. Service quality and customer satisfaction reach a whole new level. Kärcher makes a difference.